The fundamentals of cooking techniques. Cooking is an art form that has been practiced since the dawn of humanity. It's a skill that intertwines culture, tradition, science, and passion. At the heart of every memorable dish lies a fundamental cooking technique, carefully honed over time to ensure the perfect blend of flavors, textures, and presentation. This essay delves into the core techniques that serve as the backbone of the culinary world. 1. Mise en place. Before diving into cooking techniques, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of preparation, or mise en place. This French term, meaning everything in its place, represents the preliminary step in the cooking process. It involves assembling and organizing all the necessary ingredients and tools before the actual cooking begins. Proper mise en place ensures a smooth and efficient cooking experience, helping chefs to avoid last-minute chaos and mishaps. 2. Dry heat cooking techniques. Roasting and baking. These methods involve cooking food in an oven, where circulating hot air cooks the food. Roasting is typically used for meats and vegetables, resulting in a caramelized exterior and moist interior. Baking is predominantly used for pastries, bread, and desserts. The even temperature ensures consistent results. Sautéing. This is a quick cooking method where ingredients are cooked in a small amount of oil or fat over relatively high heat. The objective is to achieve a seared, flavorful exterior while retaining a tender inside. Grilling. Done over direct heat, grilling imparts a charred flavor to the food, which is often associated with barbecues. The high heat sears the surface, locking in the juices. Frying. Whether deep or shallow frying, this technique involves cooking food submerged in hot oil. It produces a crispy exterior with a soft or moist interior. 3. Moist heat cooking techniques. Boiling and simmering. In these methods, foods are cooked in a liquid at or just below its boiling point. While boiling is used for pasta or hearty vegetables, simmering is gentler and often employed for soups, stews, and braises. Steaming. This technique uses vaporized water to cook food. Since food doesn't come in direct contact with the water, it retains more of its nutrients, making steaming a healthy cooking option. It's commonly used for fish, rice, and vegetables. Poaching. A technique where food is gently cooked in simmering liquid. Poaching ensures the food remains soft and tender. It's ideal for delicate foods like eggs, fish, or fruits. Braising. A combination method. Braising starts with searing food at a high temperature, then finishing it in a covered pot at a low temperature immersed in a small amount of liquid. 4. Combination techniques. Stir-frying. A technique borrowed from Asian cuisines. Stir-frying involves cooking small pieces of food over high heat in a wok with a small amount of oil, ensuring quick and even cooking. Searing. While it's a short process, searing is essential to lock in the juices of meat and create a caramelized, flavorful crust. It's often the initial step before the food undergoes further cooking. 5. Sous vide. A modern technique, sous vide involves vacuum sealing food in a bag and cooking it to the desired internal temperature in a water bath. This method ensures consistent results, with the food retaining its moisture and achieving unparalleled tenderness. Conclusion. Understanding the nuances of these techniques is fundamental to mastering the culinary arts. While every culture may have its unique methods and traditions, the core techniques remain universal. The perfect dish isn't just about combining ingredients but also about understanding how heat transforms them. In essence, cooking isn't just a utilitarian act of sustenance. It's a symphony of processes and transformations. With the fundamentals in hand, one can embark on an endless journey of culinary exploration and innovation.